In this video, let me show you how to fix Chrome page unresponsive error on your Android device. So if you got this error message, the first thing that you can immediately do in this situation, if you have a lot of tabs opened up on this platform or inside of Google Chrome, you'll need to make sure that you close out all of them and then close out the app of Google Chrome as well. Once you do this step, try to see if this fixes the issue. If this first step does not fix the issue, the second thing that you can do is force stop the application of Google. So what you can do is tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, you'll be able to see the option which says force stop. You can just tap on the OK option. Once you complete this step, the second thing that you can do inside of the settings is to head over to the storage option and then tap on the clear cache as well. Now once you complete both of these steps, again try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is try to update the Google Chrome web browser. So just head over to the Play Store, search for Chrome, and if you do see new updates available, you can just tap on the update button. Once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix the page unresponsive error on your Android device. Do give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video to be helpful. I'm gonna see you in the next video.